And for the next problem, problem number 25, the problem is calculate the average penalty cost for rentals grouped by vehicle type, includes the vehicle type, average penalty cost, and the total number of rentals with penalties. And with the SQL code query being shown right here, I will now begin the explanation. So this query calculates the average penalty cost for rentals, which is grouped by vehicle type and includes the total number of rentals with penalties. So now, let's begin. With selecting columns, VT type name as vehicle type, this retrieves the name of each vehicle type. The next is the average penalty cost as average underscore penalty cost. This calculates the average penalty cost for rentals with penalties for each vehicle type. The next is the count billing underscore ID as total rentals with penalty. This counts the total number of rentals with penalties for each vehicle type. The next is the joining tables, with billing is joined with rental underscore details, using rental details ID to link penalties to the rental transaction. The next is the rental details, which is joined by maintenance details, using maintenance details ID to associate the rental transaction with vehicle maintenance. The next is the maintenance details, which is joined with vehicle details, using vehicle details ID, which is to retrieve the information about the vehicles. And lastly, the vehicle details, which is joined with vehicle types, using vehicle type ID to classify the vehicle into types. The next is the filtering condition, where B penalty cost to 0 is ensure only rentals with penalties that are included in the calculation. Then next is the grouping and aggregation, which is grouped by VT type underscore name, which groups the result by vehicle type so that the aggregate calculation, average, and count are performed for each type. Then the result. For each vehicle type, the query outputs the name of the vehicle type, the average penalty cost incurred for rentals of that vehicle type, and the total number of rentals for that type of vehicle that included a penalty cost. With this, the order by the number of rentals with penalty will be shown. With that, I will now show you the output of this SQL query code right here. And with that, that's for problem 25, and we will now proceed to the next problem.